Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing a bike check on my Verde Eon. It's whatever. So I'll start off with the top, I guess. I have just some random bar ends. Colt grips. You can see that, Colt. I have Fit Sky High bars in chrome. Love them. Colt on that side too. Yeah. Stock stem. Nitrous fork. My bike just fell. Hold on. Yeah, that's my rails too. Practice my grind. Alright, so I have nitrous forks, stock front rim. It's in green. Animal Tom White wall in tan. Shadow little one peg. And you can see that shadow. Have some stock cranks. I'm gonna be getting some Odyssey 12-bolt cranks from my friend. He didn't sell them to me. And then have some premium slim pedals. Best pedals ever. Love them so much. Just sucks when you get hit in the shin. That shit hurts. Chain, just a whatever KMC chain. I have primo rim in the back. It's dirty, but I think I'm gonna clean it after this. Primo, you can see it, it's upside down. It's primo. Lace tool in Eastern hub. Eastern. Not the best, but whatever. And then I got a shadow little one peg in the bag. Same pedal. Snafu bottom bracket. Oh yeah, the sprocket stock. And my pivotal seat I got premium. Don't know if you can see it somewhat. And then I don't have a seat post because mine don't. I mean seat clamp because mine doesn't need it. I think it's a snafu. It has an S, and it's in gold. Got it for 20 bucks, so it's whatever. Both of these, the seat and the post, 20 bucks. It's pretty good. And the headset's stock. I'm gonna be getting new parts for Christmas. I don't run brakes. Don't run brakes. Oh yeah, the same tires in the back. Animal 2.20 in the back, 2.20 in the front. Whatever. Yeah, those are my stickers. Pretty sick. Yeah, got some pretty. Gonna get a new hub, hopefully. Hate that shit. I'll do a hub sound if you guys want to hear that. Let's see. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Sorry if it's so long, but this is my first bike check ever. And yeah, like my channel, subscribe if you like it, whatever. I'll probably be doing an edit soon. Yeah, still practicing tricks. So yeah, and yeah, thanks. Peace.